Alright, in this lesson we're going to learn how to erase different objects. So in the last lesson what we ended up with was something that looked like this, and we're going to go erase some of the lines, and you want to make it look just like the lab. Now the erase tool is really powerful. What's nice about it is I have a couple different ways of selecting things. I can click on the eraser and I can click on a number of different objects, and it keeps adding things to the list to erase, and all you do to hit erase is hit enter or return, and it erased them. If I decide that's not what I wanted, I just go undo, or I can do the Apple Z. Now let's say that I select the eraser again, click on the eraser. If I go from right to left, I'm going to drag my mouse from right to left, I will actually select anything that the box crosses. Right? And if I come down, now I can do everything, but it won't end. But I haven't bounded everything, but it will actually erase everything. I don't want to do that. Let's just show you the other way. I'm going to go in here, and this time I'm going to go from left to right. And what's going to happen this time is I'm only going to erase what I bound. All right. So in this case here, the only thing that will be erased will be that inner triangle. All right. So what we're going to go through is you're going to use the eraser. We have three different ways to select it to erase the objects. Your goal is that it ends up like this drawing over here. All right. And what I want to do before you get started is make sure that the O snap, which is this one, is off. It should be grayed out. You could leave on the snap mode, but it doesn't really matter either. So I'm going to turn that off. I do like having the grid. It just helps me. I like to see where I'm at, so we're going to leave that on. So what happens is I've turned object snap off. We're not snapping to any of the object geometries, and I'm just going to have the grid snap off, and I'm just going to leave the grid display on. So why don't you get started with lesson 3, and when you're done, you'll end up with that.